Hello, guys. Welcome to Knowledge World. We are going to cover a new topic here, and as I'm getting very good response on my YouTube videos, so I just wanted to give you any one new tip, like which is related to the Excel sheet, because many people are facing things like they want to enter the dates in the like Excel sheet while maintaining reports, or they want to have something like in manageable way where dates can be automatic, or they can have the calendar on the Excel sheet. So I suggest always to have the calendar on the sheet, so it would help you a lot in that way. So I will show you one example, like how it works and all. For an example, let's say we do have a candidate. His name is, just for an example, I'm putting any name, XYZ. He has interview on any date. So here, we do have multiple candidates for an example, and we are putting their interview dates. So one format is going to be like that: 6th of Feb, something like that you will mention, and again you will write down here, and again and again. So it would be separating your formatting and disturbing formatting too. So like we have to have like the formatting in the best method, and it would be easy if we can do the things just by a click. So how we can do, that is the main part. So I'll show you things here in this box only. So how it goes, let me show you that. First, you need to select that cell, and then you will go to data menu, then data validation. Here you will get this screen, data validation rules. You need to click on add rule, and then here in criteria drop down, you just need to click on is valid date, and done. And you can drag it for your all of the candidates, so it would be implemented automatically. Now here, what's the game? Let's see how it is there. Now to enter the date, you will just click here, and your calendar would be in front of you. So you can choose any date, like let's say this candidate is on 18, this is on 27. Formatting would be not disturbed, and everything going to be in the mannerable way. And even you can go here to the months, after months, and you can like track full of the calendar, and it would make your work easy. And here is the little format, and I know like you people can use it in multiple ways, so you can use as per your requirements, and that would really help a lot. So I hope I hope like this is helpful for all. Try to use it in your day routine work, and really like going to help like different things more in coming videos. Comment if you need to know something specific in US staffing, or something relatable in bench sales or recruitment. I would try to cover more topics soon. So just I'm waiting for your comments too. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and please subscribe and share the videos if it is useful for you.